안녕하십니까.
Hap- Happy New Year, Hyundai Motor Group family members.
자동차그룹 가족 여러분, 갑진년 새해 여러분 가정에
I wish all of you and your family great health and happiness in 2024.
올해는 그룹 최초의 전기차
This year is special because we are celebrating the New Year here at
여러분과 함께 새해를 시작하게
New
돼서
Year here at Autoland Gwangmyeong, which is Hyundai Motor Group's first EV dedicated plant. I am excited about the series of innovation in electrification that will start here and spread to Ulsan, the US, and beyond.
저는
Last November,
11월에 한국과 영국의
I was conferred the Most Excellent Order of the British Empire as Honorary Commander in recognition of my contribution to strengthening the cooperation and friendship between the UK and the Republic of Korea.
협력을 주도한 공로로
It is the same order that was bestowed upon the founding chairman Chu Young-chung, who laid the foundation of the Hyundai-UK partnership in the 1970s. As it was back then, the recognition is a result of the outstanding work and professionalism of all our employees.
이 모든 영광을
And I applaud all of you who fully deserve this honor.
세월을 뛰어넘어
This order has been presented to us over generations, and similarly, I believe the unwavering spirit of Hyundai Motor Group has remained constant.
명예회장님 시대를
From the time of the founding chairman through the honorary chairman Moon Gu-chung to today.
거치고 있습니다. 매년 우리가 새해를 맞이할
There
때마다
has never been a moment in the beginning of a new year when I thought things were going to be easy.
항상 위기라고
I knew numerous
생각했었고
challenges and crises lay
때로
ahead,
많았었지만은 우리는
but
그 어려움을
together
성공적으로
we have
극복해왔습니다.
always managed to successfully overcome them time and
위기를
again.
슬기롭게 극복하기 위해서는
In
결국
order to skillfully overcome these crises, what ultimately matters is the strength of your character that defines who you are.
쉽게 쓰러지고 또 작은 위기에도
Weakness
많이
will make you
흔들리지만은
stumble, but
건강한
strength allows you to maintain your balance, defy the odds, and come
저를
out stronger.
비롯해서 여러분 마찬가지로 모든 분들이 체력을 기르기
I believe it's
위해서
the same for everyone. People eat healthy food and exercise to build and maintain
회사도
strength.
마찬가지입니다.
A company should do the same by making continuous efforts to strengthen itself.
이러한 노력의
Of
과정은
course, it
당연히
is
어려울
no
것입니다.
easy task.
그러나 또
However,
고통 없이는 결코
It is absolutely
그
necessary in order to succeed.
고통을 극복하는 과정을 통해서
Only when we as a company strengthen ourselves can we conquer our challenges and lay the foundation for sustainable growth.
이러한 의미에서
In this
올해는
regard, our mission this year will be consistency and sustainability.
성장을
Consistently strengthening our capabilities, which will allow us to rise to any challenges and achieve sustainable progress.
만들고자 합니다. 대부분의 사람들은
Most people hope for
안정적인
their good
상황이
times
언제나
to last
지속되기를
forever.
바라는 것이 사실입니다. 하지만
However,
안정적인 상황이
such a
지속된다는 것은
complacent attitude will make us stagnate and lose our place in a world that is constantly changing and progressing.
우리 고객들은 항상
Customers
지금보다
always want better products and services than what is
원하기 때문에
available now.
우리는 현재
So
안정하지
it is
않고
our job to meet their demands, and for this, we can never be satisfied with where we are today. We must always strive to become better through consistency and
변화를 위해서
sustainability.
몸부림치는 모습은 어떻게 보면 좀
Consistent change is the key to
위태로워 보일 수는
innovation.
있습니다.
The act of stepping out of your comfort zone may seem unsettling at first, but it is proof that you are actually moving in the right direction.
그러기 위해서는
To make this happen, we need to cultivate and encourage creativity.
생각이 다를 수 있다는
We
것을
have to
인정하고
recognize that our colleagues have diverse views, and even if the result may not be what we had expected, we should encourage one another in our shared pursuit of excellence.
실패에 좌절하지 않고
We need to foster a corporate culture that actively encourages innovation. We must not fear failure, but be wary of not trying. In this very moment, the world is fast changing, and our competitors are racing to catch us. However, the best strategy is earning the full trust of our customers, not quickly following our competitors.
품질과 안전,
I urge you
제품과
to stay
서비스,
competitive
그리고
by
가격
harnessing
이익까지
creativity in all
그런
areas
부분에서
of our corporate
창의성을
activity,
바탕으로 경쟁력을
encompassing the
확실하게
quality,
갖춰
safety, and
주시기를
cost
바랍니다.
competitiveness of our products and services.
한결같고 끊임없는 변화를 통해서 우리는
Through
궁극적으로
consistent and
지속
continued
가능한
innovation,
미래를
we must
열어나가야
ultimately
합니다.
open a sustainable future,
우리가
not
지속
only for
가능한
our
성장을
customers
위해서
and
추구해야 할
company, but
방향은
for entire
첫 번째로
humanity.
환경을
Therefore, the
위한
first
사회적
objective of our sustainability mission is
이
fulfilling our
지구라는
social
대표할 수 없는
responsibilities
공간에서
for the
살고 있는
environment.
우리에게 지속
For
가능성의
humanity,
중요성을
planet Earth
더욱
is
가지고
precious and irreplaceable.
여러분의 후대를 위해서도 매우 중요합니다.
For your future generations
또
as
점점
well.
더 빈번하고
The
강렬해지는
intensifying natural
자연재해,
disasters
그리고
and the
기후변화에
effects of
대해서
climate change are sending out
지구가
clear
인류에게
warnings,
보내는
which we
외면할 수
can
없는
no longer
경고예요.
afford to ignore.
인류가 생존하기 위해서
Humanity
지속 가능성에
has
대한
always been
고민을
concerned with
많이
sustainability for its own survival,
그러나 우리는 더욱 노력을
but
해야
we
합니다.
must redouble our efforts.
인류와 함께 지속 성장하기 위해서
For the
탄소
sustainable
중립과
progress of
순환경제에 더욱
humanity, we
관심을
must
가져야
take
합니다.
greater interest in
우리가
carbon
우리
neutrality and the circular
후대에게
economy,
우리가 준비를 잘 했다는 얘기를 들을 수가 있어야
so that we can tell our future generations proudly that we have done all the preparations required. We must build a global hydrogen ecosystem and strengthen our carbon neutral activities with our SMR and clean energy solutions.
전기차 배터리를 비롯해서
In
자원
addition, we
재활용
must
등
revitalize the circular economy that recycles resources such as EV batteries to fulfill our social responsibility as a global enterprise.
두 번째로는 품질에서
The second objective is securing our customers' satisfaction and trust with the best possible quality.
이상의 제품과 서비스를
Surpassing
제공해서
customers' expectations with our products and services can only be achieved with high quality.
여러분이 잘 아시는 것처럼 품질에는 결코
As you
타협이
know,
있을 수
when it
없습니다.
comes to quality, there can be no
결국에는
compromises.
품질이 좋은 회사가
Quality
고객에게
is
인정받게
ultimately
되어 있습니다.
what wins the trust of customers.
최고의 품질의 제품에 우리만의
We must
가치를
strive to differentiate ourselves by adding our own value to our best quality solutions and go the extra mile to provide the highest possible satisfaction to our
우리가
customers.
SDV를 지금 전개하고 있지만은
As we pursue the transition to SDV,
그리고 품질 모두 다
we must
같이
remember
잡아야 돼요.
that we have to have the
소프트웨어
quality of both
경쟁에서
software and
우리가 다소
hardware.
뒤처진 면은 있습니다만은
We were a latecomer to the software competition, but I'm sure we can catch up our competitors
같이 가야 될 부분이
by redoubling our efforts. But again, we cannot forget the importance of quality.
소프트웨어 다 같이 잘할 수 있는
That's why I believe we must pursue both quality and
그리고
software
세
capability.
번째로는 우리의 미래를
The
지킬 수
third
있는
objective
보안의
is safeguarding our knowledge and information, thus protecting our future. The knowledge and information we have accumulated over many decades is what drives our competitiveness in this era of the fourth industrial revolution. To safeguard the source of our sustainable growth, which is our intellectual properties, we must reinforce our processes and perfect our systems. We must all recognize the critical importance of this endeavor, and we must do everything to ensure its effective implementation.
그 부분에서
Security is getting a lot of attention around the globe as its importance is rising. And that's why we must do everything in our power to safeguard our knowledge and information.
지금 세계 경기 침체가 계속되고 있습니다.
The world is still experiencing an economic slowdown, and geopolitical conflicts are threatening our security.
확대되고 있습니다.
Uncertainty is higher than ever.
이런 외부의 위험을 기민하게
In
감지해서
order to detect and turn these external challenges into opportunities and achieve long-term sustainable growth, we must prepare ourselves in advance.
태도가 되어 있어야 합니다.
That should be our attitude at all times.
빨리빨리가 아니고
In the past, we only focused on the speed, but now we must focus on preparing in advance.
항상 미리미리 모든
And the
것을
same goes for your personal lives as well. It's not just for the company. That will make your life more enriched and more fulfilling. Only those prepared can make the right decisions swiftly.
결정을 우리가 적시에 내리지 못하게
Failure to make timely decisions will lead to grave consequences.
항상 부지런히 또 학습하고
We need to always cultivate skills and knowledge so that we can make wise decisions even under pressure in a timely manner.
그렇게 하려고 노력을 하고 있습니다.
I myself always try to have
그래서
that attitude.
그룹 조직 자체의 역량을 차별하기
And at
위해서
Hyundai Motor Group, we will tirelessly strengthen our systems and capabilities, and I will fully support this endeavor so that we can improve our processes and programs.
저는 작년에 최고의 우리가 성과를
So as you know, we've achieved one of the highest operating profits last year, and I have deep respect and pride in all of you for having made that possible.
우리가
As we usher in the new year, I ask that you continue to dedicate yourselves to the growth of our group with pride and confidence.
그리고 또 올해를 우리가 그렇게 시작을 하면은 좋겠습니다.
And I hope that's going to be our mindset going into the new year. We still have a long way to go, and it is difficult to predict what challenges lie ahead of us.
하지만
However,
변화하는 미래를
instead of
두려워하지
fearing what
말고
comes next, let us rise to the challenge.
용감하게 개혁적인 변화에 우리가
Let us
다 같이
take bold
동참하는
challenges
우리 모두가
and make
지속 가능한 희망찬
bold
미래를 만들 수 있을
innovations
것이다.
so that we can reinvent and innovate ourselves to usher in a brighter and more sustainable tomorrow.
여러분의 건강 그리고
Your health is the most important thing, so I wish all of you much health and happiness and look forward to another great year of promises, inspiration, and great success. Thank you. Happy New Year.
안녕하세요. 저는 현대위아 특수품질팀 김민우 매니저라고 합니다. 오늘 날씨가 엄청 춥습니다. 다들 건강한 새해 보내셨죠? 여기는 대한민국 울산 동해바다입니다. 저는 제주, 평택, 포항, 동해 등 해상을 돌며 대한민국의 바다를 지키는 함정의 함포를 설치 운전하고 사격 시험을 하는 조금은 특별한 일을 하고 있습니다. 회사에서 떨어져 있다 보니 외롭기도 하지만 여기 동료들과 함께 우리나라를 지킨다는 사명감과 현대자동차 그룹의 일원이라는 자부심으로 최선을 다하고 있습니다. 오늘 기아 강명 공장에서 현대차 그룹 신년회를 한다고 들었는데 이렇게나마 여러분들과 인사를 하게 되어 반갑고 기쁘게 생각합니다. 여기 떠오르는 태양의 에너지를 모아드리니 받아가시고 우리 그룹 모든 분들과 그 가정에 건강과 행복이 가득하길 기원합니다. 제가 물어보니 저보다 더 먼 바다에서 큰 함선을 운행하시는 분이 있다고 들었는데 글로비스 김유라 항해사님 나와주시죠.
안녕하세요. 반갑습니다. 저는 현대 글로비스 크라우너에 승선하는 김유라 항해사입니다. 여러분, 여기가 어딘지 아세요? 이 위에 지도에 보이시는 하와이와 미국 본토 사이 북태평양입니다. 저는 현대 글로비스 1등 항해사로서 여기 보이시는 이 크라우너에서 항해 업무, 화물 관리, 사역 설비 관리 등을 하고 있어요. 우리 크라우너는 지금 현대 기아 차량을 미국 샌디에고로 운송 중에 있는데요. 이렇게 우리 그룹의 차량들이 세계 곳곳으로 수출된다는 게 무척 자랑스럽고 이 차량들이 신속하고 안전하게 운송될 수 있도록 항상 꿋꿋하고 뚝심 있게 관리를 지키고 있습니다. 2023년 모두 고생 많으셨고 이 광활한 대양의 에너지를 모두에게 전달드립니다. 새해 복 많이 받으세요.
안녕하세요. 저는 현대건설 윤창호 책임입니다. 파나마 운하라고 한 번쯤 들어보셨죠? 저희는 파나마 외곽으로부터 도심까지 26km를 연결하는 메가 인프라 현장에서 근무하고 있습니다. 최초에는 파나마 운하 위를 지나는 교량 방식으로 되어 있었는데요. 운하 하부를 관통하는 터널 방식으로 변경되었습니다. 현대건설의 독보적인 기술력이 있었기에 가능하다고 생각합니다.
Hello, I'm Andy,
And I'm Nives.
and we work at Hyundai Motorsport.
We are based in Altenau, close to Frankfurt, in Germany.
In 2023, we won the first ever TCR World Tour.
Maybe we will win this year too.
Feels good. In fact, we have made amazing progress in a very short period of time.
Nowadays, our technology and brand are amongst the best globally.
The secret to being at the top of our game is teamwork.
Everything is possible because we trust each other and we work together as a team, even in difficult situations.
We are one team, and our team spirit is the result of our journey of achievement.
We are demonstrating the best chemistry of our field in motorsport.
For future mobility, beyond vehicle maintenance, we need to consider,
How should we work together? In which field? And what should we prepare for?
I wonder,
What are you thinking?
I'm curious, there are still things I don't yet know.
아무래도 좀 외지에서 일을 하다 보니까 우리 회사가 준비한다는 AAM 같은 게 이런 섬 어딘가에서는 가능하지 않을까? 그게 가능하다면 얼마나 빨라지고 편할지 이런 생각을 하고 또 기대도 하게 되는 것 같아요.
이제 회사에서 준비한다는 AAM 포트라든지 이런 부분에 대해 건설도 연구하고 준비하지 않나 이런 생각이 들어요. 여기 보시다시피 땅덩어리는 넓은데 도로 상황은 별로 좋지 않거든요. 소형 비행기를 타고 다니면 엄청 편할 것 같아요. 넌 어떻게 생각해? 여기 막 작은 비행기가 떠다니는 거야.
아, 여기에요? 네, 그렇게 되겠어요? 근데 그렇게 된다면 우리가 좋죠. 우리 요맛집 엄청 빨리 갈 수 있겠네요. 그 차 막히는 거 진짜 지긋지긋해요.
석박에서 업무를 하다 보면 여기 글로비스뿐만 아니라 많은 파트너사와 다른 직군의 분들과 함께 일을 하게 되는데요. 배가 워낙 크고 또 무거운 것을 옮기거나 위험한 작업들을 하는 경우가 있기 때문에 한편으로는 우리 그룹에서 개발 중인 다양한 로봇들을 이런 운수 업무 쪽에 쓸 수 있지 않을까? 그게 가능한가? 궁금하기도 합니다. 우리 그룹 전반적으로 인류를 위한 모빌리티를 준비한다는데 비록 직접적으로 그런 업무를 하지는 않지만 그래도 어디로 어떻게 가고 있는지는 알고 싶어요.
안녕하십니까. 앞서 영상을 보니까
Good
저도
morning.
몰랐던 세상의 많은 곳에서
The video was a great reminder that our group members are working hard in every corner of the world. I am very proud.
저는 우리 현대자동차 그룹의 모빌리티
Today, I'm here to share about one of HMG's mobility solutions, the robotics business. It's a business that's going through rapid growth and fierce technological competition. The robotics industry is undergoing massive transformation. The robots we see around us can now perform more than simple and repetitive tasks. They're becoming intelligent and are able to perform various functions. In the near future, every household and individual will own at least one robot and coexist with them. Major global tech giants have entered the robotics business and are intensifying the competition, and numerous startups are racing to pioneer the market before it has fully formed. So, in the fast-changing robotics industry, how is Hyundai Motor Group doing?
최근 화제가 되었던 영상을 한 편
Let's begin with a video clip that's received a lot of attention.
Forgot my tools again.
보스턴 다이나믹스의 휴머노이드 로봇인 아틀라스가
So that's Boston Dynamics humanoid Atlas, handing a tool bag to a human worker.
복잡한 환경 속에서
You can see how it can maneuver safely in a complex work site and deliver the tools it had located.
이 로봇의 특징적인 점은
What's remarkable about Atlas is that it perceives its surroundings and shares the entire space with its human co-worker and collaborates organically and safely.
부분입니다. 앞서 보신 영상 속에서 휴머노이드가 보여주는
So the manipulation and locomotion technologies that you just watched by the humanoid are the products of many years' research and development. The process entailed endless trial and error, and the motion of the robot requires not only the control of mechanical components, but also development of the software or the robot's brain and all related algorithms.
인간의 삶에서 필요로 하는
In the future, robots will be able to perform all functions and tasks required in human lives. As you saw in the video, robots are equipped with advanced motion control and manipulation, as well as the ability to make decisions autonomously to carry out the tasks that are fit for the environment situation. They're evolving to coexist with humans. These advancements are in line with HMG's vision for robotics, expanding human reach. HMG has been expanding robotics applications and overcoming the limits in human mobility. We have been leading technologies for safer interaction with the environment and effective communication with humans. And our focus has been developing intelligent robots that can maximize these effects. To that end, it is crucial to maximize robot autonomy by integrating it with AI and expanding its application scope to various domains. This approach will lead to fundamental transformation of the way robots interact with humans and open a future where robots are more deeply integrated into our lives. Under this vision, HMG is making progress through Boston Dynamics and Robotics Lab in high adaptability and human interaction technologies. Furthermore, the AI Institute will bring together our AI R&D capabilities and maximize synergy to further strengthen robot intelligence. Boston Dynamics, which HMG acquired in 2021, develops robots that can seamlessly share spaces with humans and adapt to complex and changing environments. And it offers intelligent robots that are used in various industry settings. For over 3 decades, Boston Dynamics has created robots that the world had never seen before. Those robots are now industry standards, and the company continues to overcome technological limits and expand applications at the forefront of the industry. Based on its complex and sophisticated locomotion and control capabilities, Boston Dynamics offers 3 platforms that are applicable to various industry sectors. Spot, the mobile quadrupedal robot, is used for industrial inspection for patrols and infrastructure management. Stretch, the smart logistics robot, supports diverse use cases in the logistics industry. Last but not least, Humanoid Atlas is designed to expand the potential capabilities of robots. In a bid to further strengthen its leadership, Boston Dynamics has been collaborating with the AI Institute to develop technologies that can reliably enable robots to navigate unstructured environments. Continued advancement will create robots that can do more than simply carrying out input commands. Rather, they'll be able to actively detect changes in its surroundings in real time and solve complex problems on their own. Robotics Lab, based on a clear understanding of customers' needs, has been developing unique professional service robots that are expanding to various applications and create value by safely interacting with humans. Robotics Lab aims to provide various means of transportation and support human tasks to enhance convenience in life. And the company is establishing robot integration solutions by integrating and converging multiple technologies. Robotics Lab offers various wearable robots for industry and healthcare applications, mobile platforms such as P&D and Mobed, and service robots DALI, and the autonomic charging robot ACR. Moving forward, it will continue to build on its hardware capability and strengthen its software technology like the AI vision-based human-robot interaction and incorporated advanced AI into products for better robots integration solutions. As you saw in the case of Boston Dynamics and Robotics Lab, How well robots can interact with the environment and humans is becoming more important. We want to use AI as the link to expand beyond the virtual world into the physical world so that we can implement safe and efficient robots for the benefit of our customers. Again, by expanding into the physical world, we will have robots that can have the athletic and cognitive intelligence. And these efforts will place us in the leading position of the industry. Considering such strategic importance, we established the Robotics AI Institute in Boston in 2022, and it's been serving as the center of core technology research and synergy creation. With robotics intelligence as the top priority, the AI Institute has various projects ongoing in the areas of cognitive intelligence, athletic intelligence, hardware innovation, and robot ethics. Moreover, our vision is attracting some of the world's finest AI and robotics experts, and we're expanding our research base to Zurich, Switzerland, to actively reinforce our partnerships. In 2024, we will see accelerating and expanding applications of AI in various industries. With the AI Institute at the center, we will continue to secure world-class talent and technology leadership and apply various AI technologies to other mobility solutions of our group. By doing so, we'll realize the possibilities of AI in broader areas beyond robotics, such as SDV, autonomous driving, AAM, and manufacturing innovation. Having said that, success in robotics business requires more than the technologies I described. It also requires manufacturing and mass production capability for robots so that those technologies can be implemented. As our group already has the world's best automotive mass production technology and know-how, we are utilizing them to greatly enhance the productivity and quality of our robot products. Going forward, we will systemize the robot manufacturing processes and secure cost-competitive and high-quality critical parts while advancing the robot production system to respond to various customer needs. The use of intelligent manufacturing solutions will not only increase production efficiency in robot manufacturing, but also create a virtual cycle by feeding the technology know-how back into the existing automotive OEM business. So that was my brief explanation about where HMG is headed in robotics business. The robotics industry is evolving as we speak. We are currently leading the market with our robots, but we are also being constantly challenged by many competitors, and the diverse customer needs will challenge us with new demands. In response, we are preparing for various applications accordingly and continuously innovating our robot products. Furthermore, our unique real-life robotics AI will help us maintain our leadership in the industry. Hyundai Motor Group has been writing history with our vehicles as a mobility device. And with our high-tech AAM and robotics, we will soon be opening a new chapter of mobility. Incorporating software and intelligent AI in the robotics business will solidify our technology leadership, and such achievement will benefit the entire group by expanding the application to other business areas in a virtuous cycle. It certainly isn't going to be easy, but under our philosophy of progress for humanity, HMG will develop safe and reliable robots and use them to overcome the limitations in human mobility in a continuous effort to contribute to the progress for humanity. I hope the presentation answers some of your questions about our robotics business. As you may know, robotics isn't the only future business areas of our group. HMG is already creating a new future with numerous innovations. Let's now turn it over to President Jae-won Shin, who will present on our advanced air mobility business, which is one of the key pillars of our integrated mobility solutions. Mr. Shin, please welcome him.
Good morning, everyone. the robotics, and the future business areas and our capabilities we've just seen. I'm very excited. How was it for you? I was very excited. At the beginning of 2024, I'd like to present you with advanced air mobility, the achievement and the plans that we are working on at AAM division. As you know, Hyundai Motor Group is transforming itself from an OEM into an integrated mobility solution provider by developing innovative technologies like EVs and robotics. It is a new identity that we are developing now, and AAM division and Supernal are responsible for developing urban air mobility, a part of future mobility, by developing an UAM aircraft and business. Over the past 4 years, we have built the foundation to develop various new technologies and to tap into business opportunities to become a global AAM leader. And with about 100 colleagues, AAM division is now endeavoring to develop eco-friendly powertrain for aviation and open the AAM market at home and abroad. Founded in 2020 as an independent subsidiary, Supernal and its 600 workforce in 3 sites in Washington, D.C., Silicon Valley, and Irvine are working hard to develop an AAM aircraft and build partnerships to form global policies and ecosystem. And it is building facilities and equipment for aircraft development, such as the ground and flight testing facilities at the HMC and Kia Proving Ground in the Mojave Desert, and R&D and lab facilities in Irvine and Silicon Valley. Based on the foundation we have laid for the past 4 years, AAM division will accelerate many different ongoing projects to develop an aircraft and open the market. The reason why UAM is innovative because it is air transportation in urban areas that had never existed before. As opposed to the existing air transportation, UAM is quiet, environmentally friendly, much sought after as a future air mobility solution for all. However, as a new mode of air transportation never existed before, there are a set of prerequisites or infrastructure for UAM, such as a new certification framework and regulations for eVTOL aircrafts, flight management system for UAM, and vertiports. So all of these need to be newly developed to realize the UAM or AAM market. This is why UAM commercialization is quite challenging. And I believe HMG is willing and able to make this happen. And among them, the most critical task or the prerequisite for all others is to develop a safe and innovative aircraft. Developing an electric aircraft is an innovation as well as a challenge in the aviation industry. Since there is no experience or data in the aviation industry, we adopted the development strategy of learning by flying and are rapidly designing, developing, testing, and improving our key systems. In 2023, through developing quarter-scale tech demos and carrying out test flights, we have gained real-life data and experience in aircraft integration, flight test processes, and safety management system. Based on this strategy, we are planning to do the first flight of the full-scale tech demo at the end of this year to accelerate technical development, and will strive to develop next models in order to enter the market with the safest and the most innovative aircraft in 2028. Also, with the aim of developing an aircraft as safe as any commercial peer, we have partnered with Tier 1 aviation suppliers such as Honeywell, BAE System, and GKN to develop a range of systems. Aviation powerhouses have chosen us as their partner, and the reason is because we have developed a system that is And this demonstrates that they agree with our safety-first strategy and highly appreciate our development capabilities. At the group level as well, we are currently collaborating with Manufacturing Solution Division, Battery Development Center, Hydrogen Fuel Cell Development Center, and HMG affiliates including Hyundai Mobis, Hyundai Via, Hyundai Transys, and Hyundai Glovis to bring down technical barriers in UAM development. And we are going to continue to explore group-wide collaboration opportunities to grow together with our HMG affiliates. Again, developing an aircraft quickly only will not lead us into opening the UAM market. With this in mind, we have incorporated safety standards of the existing commercial aviation industry and the US and European certification authorities from an early stage of the development, and work together with many partners to prepare infrastructure and the ecosystem, which are essential to open the market. As such, right product at the right time is our direction, and this is our winning strategy. Right time is about when to enter the market. The AAM market is forecast to remain small with just hundreds of units until 2028, but then significantly grow starting in the 2030s. And we are planning to enter the market in 2028 when the market starts to expand. To achieve another pillar of our strategy, right product, we have 4 strategies setting us apart from others. First, unlike our competitors, we are going to develop an aircraft that meets the same level of safety standards as commercial aviation from the very beginning. Of course, no one wants unsafe air travel. I wouldn't, certainly. Therefore, we are committed to providing the safest aircrafts that will satisfy airliners as well as customers. Second, we'll develop cost-competitive aircrafts based on HMG's technologies and capabilities in manufacturing. Our capabilities in mass production and quality management will make us a game changer in the aviation industry where most production is done manually, which will give us the upper hand in aircraft supply and price competition going forward in the future. Third, we are going to leverage HMG's state-of-the-art technologies in electrification, hydrogen fuel cell, and autonomous driving for UAM development. These in-house technical capabilities will definitely help us stand out from the competition. Fourth, we are going to provide differentiated customer experiences. As our executive chair mentioned in his speech, by utilizing the know-how our group has accumulated so far, we'll apply advanced technologies such as future-oriented aircraft interior design and ergonomic seat, and provide a seamless mobility experience by linking our group's ground mobility capabilities to lead the market with differentiated customer experiences. Before I conclude my presentation, I'd like to introduce the concept introduced in the book Start With Why, written by motivational speaker Simon Sinek, which is Golden Circle. While many people and organizations pay attention mostly to what or how, Simon Sinek says we need to pay attention to why, not what or how, to inspire, motivate, and encourage people to take action. Then, what is why, which is most important? Why have we begun the AAM development? Our why is to change the world by developing AAM. Change the world to better humanity's life. That is our why. The AAM division will continue to be a part of HMG's efforts to innovate for the progress for humanity, and will join you in making 2024 a year of innovation and challenge. And thanks to our passionate efforts and collaboration with multiple HMG affiliates over the past 4 years, we'll be able to unveil the new UAM aircraft at CES in a few days. We expect and appreciate your continued support and interest. Thank you. Together for a better future is the slogan of today's event, and it is an honor to be joining here on this special occasion at the Gwangmyeong plant, and whose vision will be presented by President Ho Sang-song.
안녕하십니까. 기아 송우성 사장입니다.
Good morning, I am Ho Sang-song, President and CEO of Kia. I am very proud that Autoland Gwangmyeong, the mother plant of Kia, is holding 2024 Hyundai Motor Group's New Year ceremony. And I'd like to extend my sincere gratitude to Executive Chair, Presidents, and colleagues who have joined us here today. This year marks the 80th anniversary of Kia's foundation. Beginning as the first bicycle maker in Korea in 1944, Kia produced the first three-wheeled vehicle K360 and built the first comprehensive car plant here in Gwangmyeong in 1973. After joining the Hyundai Motor Group family, Kia has grown into a truly global company based on the group's synergy and the business philosophy of quality, global, and design management. Following the brand relaunch in 2021, Kia has transformed itself from an automaker to a sustainable mobility solution provider. Starting with the manufacture of its first passenger vehicle, the Kia Brisa, Autoland Gwangmyeong has produced Kia's flagship models such as Pongo, Pride, and Carnival, driving the growth of the company. And last year in particular, it began manufacturing the EV9, the first seven-seater SUV EV, bracing itself for an industrial paradigm shift of electrification. The Gwangmyeong Evo plant, where we are right now, was formerly Gwangmyeong Plant 2 that used to produce ICE models such as Stonic and Rio. The strategic models for Europe, but through the complete renovation, it is now the first EV-dedicated plant of HMG. Under the three pillars of cutting-edge logistics and production system, eco-friendliness, and human centricity, Kia will apply the innovative manufacturing technologies and techniques tested and proven at HMG in Singapore. The Evo plant will expand process automation and actively deploy software convergence technologies such as the connected control system in order to improve efficiency of logistics and production processes.
By introducing low carbon and harmful substance reduction technologies, we will minimize energy consumption and reduce the emission of air-polluting hydrocarbons. Such efforts will help us practice carbon neutrality and ESG management by realizing an urban, eco-friendly plant. In addition, we will implement worker-friendly facilities that are low load and low noise and utilize Boston Dynamics Spot to proactively detect risk factors to create a safe and pleasant working environment. We also plan to continue our quality improvement activities to dramatically improve our production quality. By drastically reducing sealer defects, paint defects, incorrect part or missing part installations, as well as functional or electronic part defects, we will achieve the highest level of quality with a target of a 95% first pass yield. As we will be producing 150,000 units of Kia's major volume EV models, the EV3 and the EV4 annually here, this plant will play a pivotal role in increasing the popularity of electric vehicles. We ask for your interest and support in the Gwangmyeong EVO plant, which will start operation in June this year. Going forward, Kia will further reinforce our global EV production bases to respond flexibly to changes in the market environment and customer demand. Most importantly, we will achieve continuous quality innovation to realize our customer-first value. Once again, thank you for joining us on this very special occasion. Now we're going to watch a time-lapse video of the EVO plant construction.
Kia, movement that inspires.